Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about CCTs, otherwise known as the cam chain tensioner. Now I've got my camera girl with me today, so everything should be all good. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay guys, here we are. This is the cam chain, 12 easy steps. Oh look, pretty little sticker, isn't that nice? Okay, let's open this up, see what we've got. Right, so there we go. This is basically the replacement cam chain tensioner. Make sure you've got this little key here. It's very important because you'll need that to wind back the plunger. Okay, right, let's have another look. Let's get deeper into it.
Hi.
Alright guys, as you can see, here is the old one. Old cam chain tensioner right here. So basically the springs are probably brittle and it's not retracting back, which means I'm now getting a knocking noise from my engine. If you guys are getting the same noise, then 98% sure this is the little culprit that's causing all the grief. Okay, so first things first, undo this and set the bike engine to top dead center. Okay guys, once your cover's off, there's a letter T in here. Basically rotate the engine clockwise until the T lines up with that little notch just there. Okay guys, now you need to crack off this center nut here. Maybe it might be worth cracking these off as well. All right, but you need to get to that one first. We need to retract the plunger. Now you're going to need to use this little key in the kit provided to retract this pin and keep it in the locked position. Okay guys, here we have the old one. Can't really see if it's damaged in any way, but there's a gasket here. All right, if you do have a new one, make sure you replace it. Alright guys, now the new one's in place, do the total opposite as what you just did. Tighten up all the bolts. Alright, then afterwards we're going to rotate this, make sure the engine moves nice and freely around, okay? Very important that this moves freely, and afterwards we'll assemble the engine, start it back up. Success guys! Right, providing there is no rattling noises or anything like that, you're good to go. If there's any knocking noises, adjust this clockwise, tighten it back up. So thanks very much for watching guys. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. You've been great. I'm also on Instagram as well. Check me out guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.